వీడియో గేమ్స్ చూస్తే చాలు పెద్దవాళ్ళు సైతం పిల్లలైపోతారు. అవుట్ సోర్సింగ్ ద్వారా పెద్ద పెద్ద గేమింగ్ కంపెనీలకు గేమ్స్ డెవలప్ చేస్తున్న గేమ్ శాస్త్రి హైదరాబాద్ లో కార్యాలయం ఏర్పాటు చేస్తుంది. ఇందులో ఏర్పాటు చేసిన వర్చువల్ గేమింగ్ అందరినీ ఆకట్టుకుంటుంది. మరి కన్సోల్ గేమ్స్ మీ అందరి కోసం.
This appears to be fun, but it actually is. They are testing computer-based games, start with ordinary PC games, and then move on to mobile phone games. The ultimate in gaming is the console gaming. Worldwide, it is worth around $42 billion. India has now made an entrance into this high technology field. The first outsourcing for testing these console games has begun in Hyderabad. It is economic to test it in India, according to Activision's Senior Vice President Brian Ward.
We're operating in a resource-constrained environment in America where we really can't find all the talent that we would like to have developing and testing the games. And with the high degree of technical proficiency and talent base here in India, it seems like a logical place to explore.
Does it work out to be much cheaper than doing it?
It works out to be cheaper.
It's also a great opportunity for India, according to the CEO of the company, Prakash Ahuja.
The game industry in India, really speaking, is in the recent stages as yet.
Gaming launch lo we display all the latest games, and
in India.
this is used by to recruit people and and for my employees to play games here and get the knowledge of all the latest games, and this will be useful for the testing and development and animation of the games, and they'll have a lot of fun. We'll have competitions here, and people can. We mainly use this as a recruiting tool. People when we recruit and they actually come here, play the games, and based on their expertise, and we actually recruit the people here.
Absolutely, this is the only industry.
Some of the games are we tested, and some of the games we are going to test. But most of these games are displayed here all from the different companies. All the big companies, Electronic Arts, Activision, THQ, Take-Two, and all those companies. Some of the games, yes, we do test it. And we tested like Spider-Man, X-Man, and Call of Duty and all those things. Okay, game తయారు చేయడానికి it will take about 12 to 24 months, and some of the big titles it will cost about $20 million, which comes about 100 crore rupees. And some of the smaller games, we can do it for $5 million, about 25 crores. It varies from 25 crores to 100 crores. And people wise, you'll have 20 to 100 people, in the some of the games. The titles like Spider-Man, it will be which will cost about $20 million to develop. Not really, we want to create gaming culture in the city and make sure people will come and join us and have a good career path in their life in the different technology, because everybody is working with in the traditional application software development. But this is a real challenging, and it's a real good field, and they have the career path in our company.
Game animation and game testing.
Mobile gaming is also good, but all the games are very short, and it will place in that you don't need a lot of expertise to develop the mobile game. When compared to the console game is a big game. It's consumes a lot of MB and a lot of GB. Mobile games are very short in nature. If you see, Sony PlayStation 3, which it's the biggest console. It has about it costs about $600. It has about few GB space to play. But,
in India,
people are still yet to develop games for the PS3.
United States,
Nintendo Wii you saw, which is relatively smaller, but it has great fun while playing that one. You can actually play tennis in Nintendo Wii.
Hyderabad, we have people
That kind of thing. Xbox 360 also one of the good console which can play a lot of games.
There are
specific testing companies like Apple, Call of Duty and some of the games which they're playing here, and I can actually see how good the systems are. That is Xbox 360, and they see that how lively it is and how natural it is. And you can see more graphics in PS3, PlayStation 3. That is here. This is a PlayStation 3, and you can actually it's more natural. It's more realistic. You can see very detailed things in the PS3. Most of the companies they'll start getting into this area because it's just picking up. It's in the very initial stages, like what technology in 1990. That is what we are in the gaming right now, and it is going to grow beyond these things. And so many companies you see coming here and start their development centers, and people will have the great opportunities work for the big companies. And next generation games are beautiful. Sports, cricket, it is going to come up, and basketball, baseball already are the big games right now. And there are so many things.
కంప్యూటర్ గేమ్స్ దృష్టిలో పెట్టుకుని రూపొందించారు.